All right, so we're going to go into the admin area for this unit. Change the password. We'll hit that. Password for this unit is for the admin 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll hit OK. Brings up this information. We can go in and see what users we've got. Hit the back button. We can hit the access log. We can go in and see some history. We can add users, delete users. We can change password for the admin, set the time, and get out of there. Now on the time, since it is not connected to a computer, there is a microcomputer on it, and you may have to set that to your time zone. So exit out of that, but that is the admin area.